Meaning of Hampshire.
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 Hampshire. Hampshire is a county located in the south of England. The name Hampshire is derived from the Old English words Hampton and Sur, meaning hometown and shire respectively. Hampshire was first mentioned in historical records in the 7th century as part of the Kingdom of Wessex. Today, Hampshire is known for its beautiful countryside and coastline, historic cities such as Winchester and Portsmouth, and attractions like Stonehenge and the New Forest National Park. Hampshire is also home to world-renowned universities, such as the University of Southampton and the University of Portsmouth.